What's up, YouTube? Another combo unit repair coming at you. Today we're diving into the Magnavox DV220MW9, a fairly popular and for some reason expensive combo unit when you look online. These things sell from anywhere to 60, 80, even more if you've got the remote with them. And we'll get into all that in a minute, but first we'll start out on a win. This is a Sony VHS DVD combo unit I repaired a few weeks back. This isn't the one with the dead laser, this is the one that fully worked. I was able to sell it locally for $75. Paid a little over $33 on eBay for it, so that's over $40 in profit. They seem to be a run-of-the-mill Funai unit, so not great quality, but it is a simple unit, and maybe it's popular because it was at the tail end of production, so more people are aware of it, more people had them, and when it goes out they want to have the same exact unit to replace it. Whatever the reason is, let's start stripping it down. In my limited experience, this is the worst unit to try and service. Before you even think about touching the mode switch, everything has to come out of the chassis. You take the faceplate off, the DVD player comes out, then the VCR mechanism and the PCB board come out as a unit, and you have to try to detach those without ripping a ribbon cable on the underside. Okay, so we finally made it to the underside here. This cable is extremely fragile, it's only soldered on, so what we have to do here is get the screw out without disturbing the cable too much. And once that's done, there's another screw on the left side. Make sure you keep track of these screws, one's plastic threaded and one's metal threaded. And then I'll remove and take a look at the loading belt. It's still pretty springy, so we'll put it back and just give it a good clean. And here's the mode switch. I'll gently lift the VCR mechanism above the board and extract the mode switch. I reach in with some tweezers and that's much easier to extract it. Here, I'm applying a daub of dielectric grease. It'll protect the mode switch from future corrosion. When replacing the cap of the switch, make sure it's nice and centered and apply even downward pressure. And then it's important to reset the mode switch in the home position. This is either straight back or straight forward on most designs. On this particular model, it's straight back. Again, make sure your screws are correct when putting this in because they are threaded differently. And for reinstalling this screw, I was pushing down hard with my left hand to protect the soldered joints, and then I was using my right hand to thread the screw in. If you've made it this far, I'd love a like and subscribe, especially if you want to see more content like this. And we couldn't resell this without cleaning the DVD laser, so I get some isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab. To clean the heads, I take isopropyl alcohol and a folded over piece of printer paper, and I apply the paper to the heads as I rotate the head drum from above. For the pinch roller, I use a cotton swab and acetone, and I scrub up and down as I rotate the pinch roller. After all that hard work, it's time for a test run. I'll put in a tape and run through all the functions. With everything working, it's time to put it back up on eBay. I like to pair these units with a VHS tape and cables. I like to think it sets the listing apart from the other listings of the same item. Take pictures that are flattering and highlight good parts of the item, but also take pictures that show any damage to the item. And before I could get this video edited and posted, this item sold for $63.03. Since I also paid about $33 for this unit, that's a $30 profit. See you on the next one.